Pain and anger after man confessed to killing and burying woman in Glengoff. The police went to exhume the body today.
No time is the things now go me way. Still privilege alive and know there is better days. Mama tell me say this one free. Put your personal way. 1, 2, 5.
It's a big one, but people have the things that she did. The young lady.
Hold on, where's the truck?
And now my life ain't the same. I will prevail. Oh Lord, oh God, you reign. Me know.
Book some picture on 88377757. 88377757. Yeah. 88377757. 88377757.
You don't hear me about
everybody.
You hear him run? Everybody. Me want him down.
Yeah, I'm saying he what's it like here?
What time? Come. You can't tell them supposed to sit down. You can't tell them sit down there with the camera going to get up.